Okay, so for problem 4-4, ituloy na natin hanggang 4-5 na kasi isa lang naman yung given. So meron tayong dalawang support department at dalawang producing department. So what are we going to do, or what we are going to do is i-allocate natin yung ah, yung costs ng support department papuntang producing departments, and then we compute for the overhead application rate for each producing department. Actually, yun yung ah, requirement ng problem 4-5, no? So ang gagawin natin, magiging format natin is we will have three separate videos, one for the direct method, one for the step method, and one for the reciprocal method. So magko-compute tayo, mag-allocate for each method, then itutuloy natin hanggang 4-5 kung saan mag-compute tayo ng overhead application rate for each department. Okay? So let's start. So unahin natin yung direct method. Okay? So pag direct method, that means pag nag-allocate ka ng cost ng support departments, diretso na dun sa producing department. Kumbaga, hindi mo bibigyan yung isa pang support department ng overhead galing sa isang support department. So, how do we do that? Let's have four columns here. Ayan, we have support departments, building operation, tsaka info services here. Tapos, producing department, um, assembly, and finishing. So, we also have the overhead amounts here. 550,000, 1,000,000 to etc. as given in the problem. I also place a total column. Okay? So, ayon dun sa problem, yung, where is that? Yung building operations, saan ba nabanggit yun? Wait lang ah. Ayun. Okay, so, yung building operations uses square footage in allocating the cost, no? So, since tayo ay nasa direct method, ang ilalagay ko lang na square footage ay yung sa assembly at finishing. The reason is, hindi naman natin na-allocatean ng cost ng building operation yung info services. No? Hindi tayo mag-allocate ng 550 dito sa box na to. Kasi nga direct method. Direkta natin siyang i- ah, i-allocate dun sa producing. Okay? So ito lang yung gagamitin natin, 16 at saka 24 with total of 40. So we allocate that using fraction, no? So ito yung naging allocation natin. Ayan. So yung 550 was divided into 220 at saka 330 for assembly and finishing. So paano natin ginawa yon? Meron tayong solution dito. Ayan. So yung 550,000 is imumultiply mo sa fraction na 16 over 40 para makuha mo yung kay assembly. Yung kay finishing, ganun din, 550,000 times 24 over 40. Kaya meron kang 330,000. Next, i-allocate naman natin yung sa computer time. Na according to our problem naman is computer. Computer time pala yung ginagamit na allocation cost. But we are talking about ano nga bang department yon? Info services. Yeah, info services. So since again direct method tayo, ang ilalagay lang natin na computer time ay yung ginagamit ni assembly and finishing department. So 1, 2, tsaka 600. So 1,800. So same, no? Yung 1,000,002, no? I-allocate natin ngayon. Yung 1,000,002, you will use a fraction. So ang papa-allocate kay assembly at kay finishing ay 800,000 and 400,000. So, same solution din siya nung kanina, may fraction. So, para kay assembly, 1,200,000 times 1,002 over, or times 1,200 over 1,800. Ganon din kay finishing, 1,200,000 times 600 over 1,800. Now, after nating ma-allocate, kukumputin natin yung total overhead na ni assembly and finishing. Silang dalawa, independently, meron na silang sarili na 1,000,008 tsaka 1,000,002. Pero hindi lang yun yung overhead na gagamitin natin to compute for the rate for each department. Isasama natin itong mga na-allocate. Ayan, yung 220, 330, etc. Lahat ng naka-highlight. So that will give you a total of 2,820,000 overhead for assembly and 2,930,000 for finishing. Ngayon, i-divide natin siya sa allocation base per department. Nasabi sa problem, nasaan yan? Ayun, ayun. Direct labor hours at machine hours para kay assembly and finishing respectively. So, direct labor hours kay assembly at machine hours kay finishing. So, given siya dito, ayan, saan ba yun? Ang kay assembly is 30,000, eto. Ayan, so yun yung ilagay natin dito. Divide natin to sa 30,000 to get the overhead application rate for the assembly department, 94 pesos per direct labor hour. Si finishing is, anong ginagamit niya nga? Machine hours. So, ang machine hours ay eto, 50,000. Ayan, ito to. So, you divide this by 50,000, yung 2,930,000 divided by 50,000. So, ang rate kay finishing is 58 pesos and 60 centavos per machine hours.